Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I have a little happy mail to share. Actually, I believe this is an order that I placed on Instagram and from Pretty Paper Things. I placed an order with her for a Christmas kit and I got it today. It's really late at night already and I've been really busy with my husband's work I guess commitments, but I don't know. But anyway, this is what it looks like and I'm just now opening it, and let's see what's in it, and let us see what did we get. Ta-da! So she was selling these paper kits on her Instagram page, and what do you call that? It was really good price, and I think it's the Snow and Cocoa, I believe, Snow and Cocoa paper kits, and she used the printables, the print digital kit. So okay, Pretty Paper Things, and I wanted to share with you what it looked like. So these were all the pieces that she was working on. I don't know if that was too quick, but there you go. I don't want to show everything because I don't think they're available anymore. There was just a certain number of kits that she was making, and you paid, and this is all the goodies. I got Snow and Cocoa ephemera, yay! And she made these bows. These are so beautiful. I was just stalking her page with all her little creations. They're gorgeous and they go so pretty with the Snow and Cocoa collection. Look at all these bows. So glittery and so perfect. I mean, come on. I've made a few, but mine never looked this pretty. It is so perfect. Love, love, love. Thank you, girly. I am also in love with this thing already. Let me put that, let's do it like this so we can see it all. There we go. As I pull it out. I don't want to open these because she has it all nicely packaged. Yep. And I just, you know, look at the little sweater. This is a sweater right here. So cute. And she also punched out some circles for like rosettes, and there's even tags in there. And then this is the ephemera kit that you get when you buy the digital kit. So that is, oh my gosh, I want to open it. I want to, but I don't. So let's see what's in this little package. She tied it with some little pink and gold twine. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love her packaging. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh! You guys, it's a sequin mix. There's snowflakes in there. There's little pinks and baby blues, just like the kit. Oh my gosh. You got little gold stars in there. So perfect. What a gorgeous mix. And I love these containers. And I know some people have been finding these sets at Dollar Tree. Oh, there's little teeny tiny snowflakes in there. I don't know if you guys could see that little one right there. And some trims. Oh my goodness. Baby blue pom-poms. We have, let me see, some pink pearls. Look at that red. I mean, these colors are so perfect. Look at that pink pom-poms. These are super tiny. Look at that. What a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. Oh my gosh. I love it. This I am a super fan of. I've always wanted to learn how to make these little pretty foam flowers. Oh, look at these. These are paper. the little paper flowers. I don't even know where these would come from. Where would you find these, girls? Because I don't have anything like that. These are the little foam flowers. I don't know if she made these too. So it's got a little bit of tulle there with like the polka dots. You can see all that. Really pretty. Oh my gosh. And it's so like, it's lightweight. So fun. And look at this one. This is a jumbo mama. Look at that compared to the white one. I love it. All these gorgeous colors, guys. These have like the polka dots too. And there's a red one in there. These are they're foam, guys. So super pretty. These are paper. Oh gosh, I love it. What a great set. I mean, I'm gonna put these all back in later because there's so much to look at. There's even washi. This one says, "Oh, happy day." Wow, look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. I have to use washi. I have to learn how and when to use my washi and use it up because I have it. I have a few, never been used. So yeah, she made a bow, or yeah, a bow. And look, oh, it's a charm. Oh, look at that. That paper's cute. Love that. There is a snowflake and a jingle bell. Oh, that is so pretty how she did that. And she just attached it straight onto the yarn, just like that. I mean, look, I know it's so easy to do, but look, she made these already. They're ready for you to just pull out and use. What a great kit, girlie. I love it. Oh my gosh. And that, I haven't even touched the embellishment box. Oh, she made the roses. Okay, I'm going to pull these out, but look, all the colors in the Snow and Cocoa collection. Teal, pink, red, white, light pink. Perfect. Look at that. Color combos. So pretty. And she also included doilies and some of the Snow and Cocoa paper. So cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm trying to not ruin the paper. So we got one of the blue and one of the white, and they're all different size not rosettes, doilies. Wow, where did you find these colors? Gorgeous, girl. Thank you. And she shared the paper. I think this is the printable. Don't quote me on it because it's a pretty good sturdy paper. Oh yeah, I think this is the 12 by 12 and she cut it. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, you know what? That is a great idea. Get the digital because everybody is dying for the paper, and you know, not everyone has it at their Tuesday morning. So that is the best option if you have a printer. Why not print your papers? And then you don't have to print everything. You just print what you want. Look at that. It has little graphics in the background. I love snowflake prints. It's so pretty. It looks kind of like the sweater print. I don't remember what the name of it is, but whatever. Look at the birds. They're too cute. Look at this guy. More snowflakes. Gorgeous. And the colors. They're so pretty. I love it, girl. Thank you so much. That is a great set to begin with. Oh my goodness. And she included stickers. Oh, it's so cute. This is Dollar Tree? Okay, I've never seen this one. It's Dollar Tree. It's the Christmas house. I've never seen that one. Thank you so much. And then here is the embellishment kit. Oh my goodness. So much goodies. Look at this teeny tiny Christmas tree. What in the world? That is adorable. Oh, I love it. And then we have this little ornament, super cute, and the clothespins. Oh, these are so cool. And then she shared some of the silver what are these, glitter balls. And then in this one we have little gems. Oh, so cute, girl. Thank you. What a great kit. Oh, there's a pearl. There's some bling. Nice. And a candy cane. Look at all of this goodies. And a little teeny tiny snowman button. It's like the size of my fingernail. It's so cute. Wow, where do you find these little teeny tiny? And then there's the rest of this is like the pink and the pearl colored flat back pearls. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a great kit. I love it. What a great kit. And she also included a little poinsettia, and I think she made this one. Teeny tiny wreath. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. And then she has little gold balls in here, and I think there's a bow. Oh, whoop, whoop. A little bow. Oh my gosh. I can't get it out. Look at that satin bow. So pretty. So perfect. And then she's got some jingle bells and some pretty buttons. Oh gosh. Oh, so cute, guys. Look at this. Okay, I have some of these. The little red bows from Hobby Lobby. I love that. And oh Okay, so she put the little gold glitter snowflake, the rosette, another snowflake, another rosette. Oh, so cute. I think one of each color. And then you got the teal and the gold snowflake. So cute. And it's so perfect for this little section right here. Fits perfect. You got the red glitter balls and then more of the little knick-knack. Little blings, Dollar Tree snowflakes and some hearts. Look at those. What a perfect little embellishment box. And got a giant red one and a white. Look at the little teeny tiny little butterfly. Oh my gosh. There's another butterfly. Oops. Oh, it's a flower. And you got some more of the pearls. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh gosh. What a great kit. Oh my goodness. Guys, check her out on Instagram. And I believe she also has a YouTube. Pretty Paper Things. So cute. The little red bows. And I have these. I love these bows from Dollar Tree. And then we have pom-poms and beads. Look at these beads. Oh, it's so cute. And the other pom-poms too. Oh my gosh. Perfect. That is a gorgeous little box, guys. Oh my God. Wow, what a kit. I love it. Thank you so much, Pretty Paper Things on Instagram and YouTube. Check her out, please. Oh my goodness. Let me get to her. There she is. Here she is on Instagram and on YouTube. On her Instagram, she has a link there. Everything she sent, gorgeous. I love all of it. I cannot wait to start crafting with all this good stuff. I never found the paper pad, but for her to take her time and find these things to put together and match the paper collection, I mean, she did all the work for you. You just get to get it and then start playing. But thank you all for watching. Today is December 20th, and I hope you all had a wonderful week. Enjoy your family and your friends who are near and far. And God bless you all, and have a happy new year if I don't put out another video. I say that every time, but you know, just in case. So love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.